Chevy Silverado off-road. A Zamac, super duper hard to find, 6-car set and mail-in Hot Wheels, and even makes it even more hard to find is the fact that it's a 2019 factory seal set, which this year was virtually impossible to find. You couldn't even buy it off the Hot Wheels lot. You had to get it on eBay for about $200 or $300 more than what it's worth. Anyway, it was worth something to me, and I did it. Look at this baby. Solid metal. The only thing that's not metal is the tires and the rims. The tires are real riders, of course. They're rubbers. They're rubber tires. This is a very high quality, high grade Hot Wheels thing of beauty. There you go. That's all she wrote. We forgot to do the top.